Hey, what's up? This is Dr. Collins doing a quick video to talk about evaluations. And sometimes when you're doing court mandated evaluations, people are going to be upset after you make the recommendation. They're going to be pissed. They're going to be like, man, why I got to do 8 classes? Why I got to do 12 classes? Why you give me 17 weeks? Why you give me 24 weeks? And they will get argumentative. They might question your expertise or your credentials, or they always love to say this: oh man, you just want my money. It's all about the money. You have to hit your quota today. I get it. And they will try to guilt you out of making the recommendation. And tell you how to do your job that they've never done themselves. So don't get caught up into that. Don't let that, just brush it off your shoulders, okay? Just brush that shit off, okay? Because people are going to say all types of things, all right? Do what you need to do, stay ethical, and keep on doing your evaluations, because they're going to be mad regardless. They don't want to be here. They're in financial situations. They're in criminal, legal situations. They got a lot of stuff going. But that ain't got nothing to do with you. You say, hey, I didn't get you into trouble. It's not my job to get you out of trouble. They say, oh, well, what's the purpose of evaluation if you're just going to give everyone classes? And you say, hey, it's for me to determine how many classes you have to do. You're on probation. This is here to mitigate your situation. We're here to do an evaluation, provide you with the intervention, so hopefully you'll never be in my office again. So it is what it is, all right? And you don't even have to explain yourself. You can sit there, be quiet, be calm, let them get whatever they need to get off their chest, and just go from there, okay? Evaluations are sometimes not easy to do when you first get started, especially if you're young. They like to challenge you when you're young. If you're a young therapist, counselor, social worker, they see the youth in your face. The older you get, the easier it gets. Okay, the older you are, the easier it gets. Because the older I get, the more I notice a lot of people don't want to challenge my evaluations. Also, the more confident you are, the less challenge you'll get and pushback you get. And a lot of times, you know, I can see through a lot of people. A lot of times they're putting their best face forward. They're also trying to cheat the assessment tools. They're trying to answer correctly, especially during the anger management evaluations. That's why when you're doing an anger management evaluation, you definitely want to get a police report to give you collateral information to know what is going on. So you want to see everything, what's going on, the big picture, because all they're going to do is minimize and lie to you. Okay? The name of the game is lie, lie, lie. Okay? They're trying to get out of this situation, all right? And don't believe everything they say, okay? And you're going to get all types of people. I had a law student today, and it was so funny because she's like, I'm a lawyer. I'm like, you're not a lawyer. You're in law school. And she's trying to argue her case and why she shouldn't get anger management classes. And it was just very funny. But you're going to get people that are teachers, doctors, lawyers, law students, you name it, okay? Everyone gets in trouble, all right? So just know you're going to get people from all types of demographics and professional careers, and it's okay. You tell them, hey, it's okay. You got to do what you got to do. It's okay. I'm not here to get you out of trouble. I didn't get you in it, so I'm not here to get you out of it. And don't get like baffled by that comment, oh, it's all about the money. Well, yes, it is about the money, because I doubt that you work for free, and I don't work for free either. So get over it. All right, guys, I hope this helps. This is some quick game. So don't get caught up when people get mad about your evaluations. If you want more information about training, consulting, learning how to provide court mandated classes, contact my office at 404-503-8069. We have an anger management training coming up in January 16th and 17th, and we also have a VIP day coming up in February 27th. Okay, so I want to see you guys there. lock in with me, do one-on-one coaching with me. We have some training programs. I'm here to help you be successful, okay? With your marketing, your advertising, AI, you name it, I'm here to help you, all right? See you guys later.